Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. First of all, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, choose one of those options in Notifications pop-up and then click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now do exactly the same on the other smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you can click on Not Now in this pop-up and close it by selecting OK. From here, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive next to it on Samsung. Then click on all of those type of dots on your Android smartphone and when you're ready, hit Send. This way you will choose all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go into Photos, select only one file, for example this one, and choose Send. Now on Samsung, tap on one of those options. Just close this window and finally, after clicking Got it, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on scanning icon here next to input key, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can input this key over here and tap on the Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, come on. My file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!